This is the drumstick, and it's almost gone. I'm just looking in the inside of the cone now. Of course, you can see that someone's chewed it down. That was Grandma. So he could get to it. Oh, and our fingers fit in there too. It's nice. Go ahead. Yeah, have fun. Is it yummy? Hmm? Oh. Oh, it's like silk. Mm-hmm. Put it in your mouth. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, nobody else is going to want that now. Are you done with it? We're just playing with it now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a real mess now. Mm. Yeah, I did. I got it all on film. Mm-hmm. Why'd you put the hand in your mouth? That is just gross looking now. Go ahead, lick it. Use a rag. Use it. Pat, pat. Yeah, sit it down and pat, pat. Okay. Pat, pat. You done with it? Alright. Alex? Hey. Oh, you're not done? You're still working on it. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.